Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guy, and this is the introduction to our new series. So if you know, on this channel we have done many series in which we have developed different games using SFML, but all of those series were with SFML 2. But now that SFML 3 has been released, we are going to start a new series in which we are going to develop a game using SFML version 3. Now as we go along, we'll also take a look at the differences between SFML 2 and SFML 3. However, even if you have not done development in SFML 2 before, or even if you are new to game development, you can still follow along the tutorials just fine, because this series does not presume any previous knowledge of SFML2 or any other library in general. Instead, we are going to do everything from scratch, so you can follow along just fine. However, since SFML3 uses a lot of modern C++ practices and idioms, you should be aware with that a little bit. You should have basic understanding of modern C++, and you should be comfortable writing C++ in general as well. However, even if you are not an expert in it, we are still going to go over briefly modern C++ practices and different things that we come across, but you should have a basic understanding of that. Alright, so that being said, for the actual game or project that we are going to develop in this series, I have actually not decided that yet, and if you've got some interesting ideas on something that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments, and we'll take that into consideration. So make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with other people as well, and stay tuned for the next video in which we'll actually start this series, and bye.